Good morning, class 11. Final account with adjustment. We have already completed 8 adjustments. Number 1, closing stock, outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, depreciation, interest on capital, interest on drawing, accrued income and unaccrued income. These adjustments we have already done. Today we are doing 2 more adjustment, bad debts and provision for bad debts. These 2 adjustments are main adjustment in this chapter, which may be a little bit of typical nature. As you know, bad debts, the amount which is not received from debtor is known as our bad debts. So what treatment to be given, sir? Balance sheet, deduct from debtors. Deduct from debtors. So simple. And then profit and loss, debit side as loss. We will show profit and loss, debit side as loss. Like here. Here profit and loss. We will show here 2 bad debts. 2 bad debts. Right? Now, and from debtors we will write debtor over here, then less bad debts. Right? Now, provision for bad debts. First of all, what is the meaning of provision for bad debts? It means whenever we sell goods on credit, it is obvious that कि some of the amount may be bad debts every year. ये स्वाभाविक है कि इस बिजनेस के अंदर कुछ पैसा bad debts होगा ही होगा. Every year it will happen. तो accountancy rule says that we know कि in future certain amount may be bad debt, certain amount may be loss, certain amount may be expense. तो the accounting rule says that we will be creating provision in advance. हम उस बैड डेट्स का पहले से ही प्रोविजन क्रिएट कर लेंगे, so that whenever in future bad debts occurred, that loss occurred, then that loss can be recovered from provision for bad debts. हम ये पहले से एस्टिमेट लगा लेते हैं कि इतने % डेटर्स का पैसा बैड डेट्स हो सकता है. And when we will create provision, we will create this provision from the profit and loss account. What treatment to be given, sir? Let us see over here. Number 1, balance sheet, deduct from bad debts, deduct from debtors. The same treatment what we give to bad debts, and then profit and loss, debit side. Why I am deducting from debtor? Just I told you, my debtors are reducing. मेरे debtor कम हो रहे हैं, because I already thought that 2%, 5% or 10% amount I may or may not be able to get. I have already deducted from my debtor. And when I am creating this provision, I will create this provision from current year profit. उस साल के profit में से बनाऊंगा. When I will create this provision from current year profit, so my profit will reduce from in that year, so it will be shown in the profit and loss debit side. 2 provision for bad debts. So this is the adjustment which we are going to do. Here I am talking both are adjustment. ये दोनों के दोनों पॉइंट हमारे पास कहाँ दे रखे हैं सर? एडजस्टमेंट्स में दे रखे हैं. Right? Now, whenever we are preparing these account, we always prepare these account from trial balance. ये हम कहाँ से बनाते हैं सर? ट्रायल बैलेंस से बनाते हैं. Now it may possible that bad debts may be given in trial balance. Bad debts कहाँ भी दिए हो सकते हैं, ट्रायल बैलेंस में भी हो सकता है. This year we create this provision. इस साल हमने ये प्रोविजन बनाया. लास्ट ईयर भी प्रोविजन हो सकता है. तो अगर लास्ट ईयर प्रोविजन होगा तो कहाँ होगा? ट्रायल बैलेंस क्रेडिट साइड. बाय प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेब्ट्स. ये ट्रायल बैलेंस के क्रेडिट में दिया होगा. Now, if you have given adjustment for bad debts and provision for bad debts, if we have given bad debts and provision for bad debts in a trial balance, then what treatment to be given? First of all, let us take trial balance item. I told trial balance item will go at one place only. Bad debts, it is loss for us. So where we are going to show over here, I will show here 4-line equation will work. What is that 4-line equation? 2 bad debts I will write here given in adjustment, given in adjustment, जो adjustment में दे रखे हैं, add bad debts, given in trial balance, जो trial balance में दे रखा है, जो adjustment में डेप्ट है वो लेंगे, जो ट्रायल बैलेंस में है वो दोनों को जोड़ेंगे. Add new provision for bad debts, add new provision for bad debts. I will add that also. Which is this new provision? Given in adjustment. ये भी कहाँ दे रखा है सर? एडजस्टमेंट में दे रखा है. And less old provision, less old provision, ये old provision less कर देंगे. Where this old provision is given dear? Trial balance. ये old provision हमने कहाँ से उठाया है? Trial balance से उठाया. So in this way we are going to do this working. This is known as 4-line equation. Whenever we have given bad debts in trial balance, provision for bad debts in trial balance, and bad debts and provision for bad debts in adjustment, so we are going to do this treatment. Two bad debts given in adjustment, add bad debts given in trial balance, add new provision given in adjustment, less old provision given in trial balance. Then how to give treatment in balance sheet? Balance sheet का treatment कैसे देंगे सर? ये देखिए. Now balance sheet treatment will be given to these two items only, not these two items. In balance sheet we will write debtors less bad debts. Which bad debts I am talking about? Adjustment bad debts. Adjustment bad debts. Deduct. Then less provision. Less provision. Which provision I am talking about, sir? Adjustment provision. Adjustment provision. And the remaining amount will be shown over here. जो एडजस्टमेंट के बैड डेब्ट्स और प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेब्ट्स होंगे वो दोनों यहाँ से लेस होंगे और उसके बाद ये दोनों यहाँ पर भी आएंगे, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. And the bad debts which are given in trial balance and provision for bad debts which is given in trial balance, that will be transferred. This is loss for us bad debts, it will be shown profit and loss debit side. And this is provision for bad debts, ये last year का provision है, इसको यहाँ से deduct कर देंगे. This is the treatment to be given when we have given adjustment. How? Let us do sum number 3. Illustration number 3. From the following trial balance, you are required to prepare trading account, profit and loss and balance sheet. Here first item is given opening stock 25,000. First item is given opening stock. Let us see, sir. So first item is given opening stock. I will do adjustments only, rest sum you will do yourself. Opening stock 25,000, the sum is, but here name of the party is not given. But first I am telling opening stock 25,000. I told earlier also, let us start our sum with adjustment. First adjustment is closing stock 36. As usual dear friends, by closing stock, this is sum number 3, 25,000. This stock is in given adjustment. Where this stock will also come? Balance sheet asset side, closing stock 25,000. In each and every sum you will find this adjustment. Second, private purchase amounting to rupees 5,000 have been debited to purchase. हमारी कोई प्राइवेट परचेज थी, पर्सनल परचेज, और उसको हमने गलती से परचेज में इंक्लूड कर दिया था. तो सो सिंपल डियर, फर्स्ट लेट अस राइट ओवर हियर परचेजेस. अमाउंट वी कैन राइट लेटर ऑन, बट प्राइवेट परचेज इज एडेड ओवर हियर. तो लेस पर्सनल परचेज minus 5,000. Figure we will deduct it later on. And personal use is known as drawing. And where always drawings comes, my dear? Let us show capital. I will write the figure later on. Less drawing minus 5,000 rupees. This is the second adjustment. Second adjustment says that private purchase of rupees 5,000 wrongly added into purchase, गलती से इसको हमने परचेज में ऐड कर रखा है, तो we will deduct it from purchase, and private purchase means drawing, and drawing will be deducted from capital. Next item, sir. Make a provision for bad debt at 5% on debtors. Provision बनाना है debtors के ऊपर 5%. तो let us see, sir. Debtors in the balance sheet, let us find. We have given debtors of rupees 80,000. Let us write debtors 80,000 rupees less provision less provision 5% of 80,000, it become 4,000 rupees. 80,000 into 5%, it become 40,000 4,000. So the remaining debtors are 76. बाकी debtor 76 के बच गए. अब where this provision will go? This is adjustment, this is new provision. Write your 4-line equation. यहाँ पर 4 लाइन की इक्वेशन लिखिए सर. 2 bad debts, ये बैड डेट्स हम ट्रायल बैलेंस से वाले उठाएंगे. ऐड फर्दर बैड डेट्स, ये एडजस्टमेंट से उठाएंगे. ऐड न्यू प्रोविजन विच इज 4,000, ये एडजस्टमेंट का है. एंड लेस ओल्ड प्रोविजन, अगर वो होगा तो हम यहाँ पे लेस कर देंगे. ऑलवेज राइट दिस 4-line इक्वेशन. My adjustment was provision for bad debts is rupees 5%. So 5% I created 80,000 into 5%, 4,000. So the remaining debtors are 76. And this new provision for bad debts, it is my third item in this 4-line equation. जब भी bad debts and provision for bad debts की adjustment आएगी, आप ये 4-line equation बना लीजिए. First is 2 bad debts given in trial balance. Add further bad debts given in adjustment. Add new provision given in adjustment. Less old provision given in trial balance, जो trial balance में दिया हुआ है. I think you understood. Adjustment is over. Next item sir. A new signboard costing rupees 4,000 included in advertisement. A new signboard. What is the meaning of new signboard sir? We use these electric boards or board of maybe iron or maybe of any material for advertisement in cities. हम इन board को advertisement करने के लिए cities में use करते हैं. तो whenever we are making these boards, these are our fixed assets. ये हमारी fixed assets हैं. And some says that this new signboard is added into advertisement. ये advertisement में add हो रखा है. तो what is our advertisement sir? Our advertisement is 10,000. Advertisement is our expense. To advertisement 10,000 less cost of signboard. The amount is rupees 4,000. So remaining advertisement are 6,000. And I just told you this new signboard, it may be of any metal, doesn't matter. It is always our asset. So I will be showing over here new signboard 4,000 rupees. And the last adjustment is depreciate furniture and fitting by 10%. And furniture and fitting are with us of rupees. Furniture and fitting. Depreciate furniture and fitting. Now if you see separately, furniture is given 16,000 rupees. हमारे पास 16,000 रुपए का फर्नीचर दे रखा है. Furniture 16,000 rupees. Less depreciation 10%, 1,600. So remaining furniture is 14,400. And where this depreciation will go dear? It will go into profit and loss debit side. Depreciation on furniture 1,600 rupees. Depreciation on furniture. I think you understood. Please ask again if you have any doubt related to it. अगर आपके पास कोई doubt है तो आप दोबारा से पूछ सकते हो. Now one more thing. This new signboard, it is also my part of fitting 4,000. So I will be deducting depreciation from this also. Less depreciation 400. So remaining is 3,600 and 2 depreciation on fitting. ये एक प्रकार की fitting होती है तो इसके ऊपर भी हम 400 रुपए का depreciation लगाएंगे. In this way we have completed our own adjustment. Now we will complete our trial balance. Opening stock as you know very well. Trading account debit side. Purchase we will write here only. Not purchase, furniture we have done. जो item हम पहले कर चुके हैं उनको टच नहीं करेंगे. Purchase 5,53,300 here. Carries inward trading account. Bad debts. Now see bad debts given in trial balance. Trial balance में bad debts है. मैंने यहाँ दिखाया था bad debts trial balance. It is amount to rupees 1,800. ये trial balance के bad debts हैं जिसको हम यहाँ पर table में दिखा देंगे. 2 bad debts I shown over here trial balance. 2 bad debts adjustment. Adjustment में हमारे पास bad debts थे नहीं. चलिए सर next item. Carries inward bad debt done. Wages trading account, debtors, balance sheet, asset side already done. Then sales return, deduct from sales. Rent, profit and loss, debit side. Then miscellaneous expenses, profit and loss, debit side. Salary, profit and loss, debit side. Then we have cash, cash is our assets, balance sheet, asset side. Drawing, deduct from capital. One more drawing is given. Less drawing. Drawing is given rupees 14,000. We will deduct from capital once again. Next is building, asset side, advertisement done, and interest on bank overdraft. It is our expense, profit and loss, debit side, interest on bank overdraft. It is 7,000 rupees. In this way, we have completed our debit side. Now credit, sales, trading account, credit side, buy sales, creditor, balance sheet, liability side, bank overdraft. It is also our liability, balance sheet, liability side. प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेब्ट्स. अब ट्रायल बैलेंस की क्रेडिट में हमारे पास प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेब्ट्स है. दिस इज ओल्ड प्रोविजन. एंड व्हाट टू डू विद ओल्ड प्रोविजन माय डियर? डिडक्ट. ओल्ड प्रोविजन को यहां से क्या करेंगे? डिडक्ट करेंगे. तो व्हाट इट दिस बैड डेब्ट्स इज नॉट गिवन. तो 5800 minus 100, the remaining figure 3700 will come over here. So this always, this four line equation will always work. Two bad debts from trial balance, add further bad debts given in adjustment, add new provision given in adjustment. All these three items are to be added, less old provision 2100, remaining is this much. Now discount, it is our income, profit and loss credit side. Capital we will show over here, and the last item is purchase return. We will deduct it from purchase, less purchase return, less purchase return. Now this was one more sum for final account with adjustment. Here the main adjustment was bad debts and provision for bad debts. So whenever we have given bad debts and provision, both will be deducted from debtors. दोनों को दोनों debtors से deduct होंगे. याद रखें, पहले बैड डेब्ट्स लेस होगा, फिर प्रोविजन लेस होगा. कभी भी गलती से पहले प्रोविजन लेस मत कर देना और उसके बाद बैड डेब्ट्स. आपका सम गलत हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट बैड डेब्ट्स, देन प्रोविजन फॉर बैड डेब्ट्स. Then both items will be coming into profit and loss account with 4-line equation. So this was your today's sum. Thank you very much.